Hi guys, welcome to another Kamikaze Creations video. Today we're just going to have a bit of a clean up on the engine bay. Tidy it up a little bit. It's pretty filthy because it's been sitting for so long. Listen, I'm an absolute novice with these cars. I've known of them growing up. Haven't had a lot to do with the motor in a 1G GTE. This is a twin turbo. A few people have pointed out to me, but if you've got any hints, any suggestions, I'm open to them all, because this is a build that I'm not familiar with. I've done a few other cars. I'm generally a Holden man, but I'm loving this one. So I'll get in and give the engine bay a clean. Thanks to all those people that have subscribed recently. I am trying to build a bit of a YouTube channel and to help fund some of these projects. So if you subscribe, it really helps me. If you like the video, it helps me. And comment on the videos in YouTube too, get some interaction happening. Keen to hear your thoughts, take your suggestions, and learn as I go. So there she is in all her glory. Hopefully she fires up. I did cover the alternator up while I was giving it a bit of a clean. Got to do a bit of maintenance on it. I'm going to drop the oil out, clean that all out, drop the radiator fluid, check that out, probably put a new air filter on, and generally tidy a bit of the wiring up. Over here you can see the setup for the thermo fans. It's just a manual switch going to a capillary sensor in there. I did a Davis Craig setup on my UC Torana. And I'm going to do exactly the same setup on this car. Just get the basics done at this stage. Had a few suggestions about swapping the turbos out. We'll just see how this progresses as we go, but she's looking a lot cleaner. Taken all of the rubbish out of the inside of it. Just amazing. That dash, it's been sitting in the sun for 2 years, no cracks in it, so I'm going to get a little bit of baby oil into that. The gauges that are in there actually function, that have been sort of just zippy tied in there. Looks a bit rubbishy. But main thing I'm worried about is that dash, and the dash looks absolutely awesome. Nice and clean, shouldn't take much to tidy it up. I'm going to move these gauges next job and set them up so they look a bit better.